Hello guys, welcome to another fishing food video. So, yeah, let's just start it. Still can't get over the fact that there's a knife in the burger, but, yeah, we got a passion. Okay then. So yeah, let's talk here. Now let's go fishing first. Alright, yeah, these guys don't want to talk. Let's start with this guy. Why did you have to bite me? Well, you're a piece of food and I was hungry. I was well within my rights. I think there's some mold starting to go on me. Yeah, I can see that. Try not to touch anything. I really don't want mold spreading around the apartment. Wow, glad to see your priorities are in order. I'm just protecting what's valuable. Mold can spread pretty fast if you don't take care of it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about my honey, but I'm sure it'll get better. I wasn't worried about you, but okay. I'm dead to not think it's going to get better, actually. Well, enough is enough. I'm putting my foot down. So I didn't know you had feet. Don't sass me. I saw you did to that strawberry. Completely unacceptable. I'm taking a stand against how you treat us. You're red. You can't stand against anything. That's not funny. I'm putting you under a citizen's arrest for your crimes. I'd like to see you try. Yeah, I think you're tough. Come at me, bro. Okay. Wow, I didn't even hit you that hard. I am never gonna physically recover from this. Not with that attitude. Alright, select an orange. The weather, actually I think it's a tangerine, but whatever. The weather is great here. Yeah, the sun is always out. Literally? Yeah, it doesn't even go down at night. That's a lot of sun. Yep, soon you'll become a real. Okay, yeah. So I'm now it's a tangerine now. Soon you'll become a real tangerine. Alright. Let's do some more fishing, I guess. I'm gonna find some like pretty crazy things in fishing, so not just food. So yeah, it's kind of strange, but I really should just do them that though. And I got the most valuable stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be fishing for a bit here. Okay, so the bread wants to talk to me. Bread. What? When it gets cold, it gets turned to bread. Oh, shut up. Shut down. Okay then. Let's actually go to the farm. Stop telling me what to do, game. I will only do it if I want to, game. Well, I did want to, so, yeah, I guess what else let's do? Alright, we're farming here. Pretty cool. Oh, boost. Yay! I'm going to get a boost. All right, now I have the boost. Okay, yeah, we're going crazy here. We're making so much money right now. Oh, yes. Yes. This is the meaning. This is the meaning of power. Oh, we also have to get him this. Boost. But anyways, now that that's out of the way, we're making such insane amounts of money. Oh yeah, this was such a good idea. Oh my god, yes. And the dragon fruits are harvesting the buns. I'm just gonna tap on where it's going. As easy as that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, super cheesy. Oh, more. Oh my god, we're getting more. No way. That's better. Alright, we're making lots of money. So yeah, it's very cool. Oh my god, we already have something new. Oh my god. Dude, these and boosts are insanely useful. Like, oh my god, they're so overpowered. Just max out everything. Dude. Wait, did I click off of it? Oh, come on. That helmet wasn't on purpose. Ugh. I mean, I really don't need to tap it all. Like, as I will still, because, no, they don't come, like, literally immediately. Okay, yeah, I think that is, that's enough farming. Well, that's into more fishing, as in that's the whole point of the game. That's like the half of the name of the game. So, of course we want to be fishing. It takes forever. I kind of want to get portals to speed up the process of the treasure chest, but I will be back. Yeah. So I actually got a shovel so I can dig. So yeah. Oh, right.
Today I want to tell you all about Cookie Run Kingdom. Each cookie is different and special.
Better.
Today I want to tell you all about Cookie Run Kingdom. Each cookie is different and special.
Okay, I swear I'll stop now. Alright, so now we're going to be doing more fishing, and then I will get the things I need for. No, don't. I'll fill it up now. Oh, god dang it! And now I can't fish. Ugh. I hate you so much, dude. Actually, so freaking Uh, dude, and then after that, you just get that's about, oh, the murder. It's everything you've ever wanted. As long as all you want is to merge things together. Sounds like fun. I've always wanted to combine different foods. Well, actually, you can only combine the same foods. Boo. Well, what's the point of that? Well, what's the point of anything? I ask myself that question every single day. Anyways, Tap, I'm on a boat to go to the military. Have fun. Alright then, okay, I think I just got cake there. And he wants to say something, so that's nice. Happy birthday! That's not my birthday. I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to myself. It's my birthday. I turned 23 today. You look younger. Oh, thanks. Anyways, I gotta go celebrate my birthday. How? By lighting myself on fire. My birthdays are pretty lit. Sounds painful. Yeah, but that's life. I like to ease the pain by watching ads. The ads are one of my favorite things to do. You're weird. Hey man, don't knock it. Tell you to try it. Okay then. Well, just not okay. Good getting enough money here. Okay. Well, I'm kind of mad that I don't have any more portals because, you know, those are pretty useful, you know, but come on, just give me the next food already. My God, I can't talk, dude. I hate it when you can't talk. What? That was like nut. Yeah, it was not Algeria. Alright then, my name looks like the same there. Oh, okay, well, apparently it doesn't say anything, so, yeah, let's just go to the merge area. Tap for food, yay. I have lots of experience in merge games, but this is probably a bit different compared to a lot of merge games. I mean, and I'm not like every merge game you have to merge the same food to get a new one, like gain money to collect new foods, well, objects, I guess, depending on what it is. Wait, I thought that's what we say. Maybe not. How did I get here? Where am I? What's going on? Welcome to the merge area. You're about to be merged with other foods. That sounds horrifying. What will happen to me when I get merged? I didn't sign up for this. That's for the greater food. No, I have a family. Your family will be merged as well. Wow, that was dark. Okay. Popcorn, yay. Can I ask you a question? Sure. I am all-knowing. How people even come up with the idea to merge things together? Who knows? It does probably took it from some other game. Seems like all the games are pretty much the same these days. Kind of, I guess. So, yeah. Think so. Think Turtle Bear what wants to play. Hey, my name is Turtle Bear, and I'm going to be playing. Wait, how do I touch this thing? A stupid Turtle Bear. You're like fluffy things. Don't like. What's the word? Damn, don't like respond to the screen. Oh, come on! Well, screen doesn't respond to them. Ah, wait, no, there was a flying cat. Oh my god. Come on. Eclair! Hey there. Hey, do you know you can hold down the buy button to quickly buy foods? No? Whoa, what are you doing? What do you mean? I'm teaching the player how to play. You're not supposed to know that you're in a game. What? Of course I know I'm in a game. Well, sure, but the player isn't supposed to know that you know. I should have told you this in orientation. You're so fired. Well, he broke the fourth law, I guess. Huh. Actually, something I kind of want to do. Hey, Dad! What happened? I burned my eyebrows. How? During the car show. You're kidding me. Thank God. Oh, well, no. I don't want to play it, man. Why do I do this? At least I'm getting a lot more money. So that's pretty cool. Let's claim it. What is it? Onward. That sounds pretty cool, actually. Just kidding, I won't do it. How much money did you get when someone watches an ad? I don't know, it varies a lot. So sometimes a couple pennies, sometimes less than that. Just a couple pennies? That doesn't make any sense. Well, it makes... Oh God, these puns are getting worse and worse. Like, oh yeah, right, okay. Thanks, Eclair. I really appreciate it. Let's see if we can get one more. Oh yeah. Milk. Why are you here? I work here. Why? Wow. How would anyone want to work here? The job market sucks. Yeah, I agree. This is the only place that would accept me. Feels bad, man. When I was a kid, I wanted to be a cook. Well, actually, I want to be a chef when I grow up. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I applied to culinary school, but I couldn't make the cut. That's okay. It's pretty stressful being a chef. Most of them get burnt out. What, wasn't that a pun? I don't think it was. But, oh, okay. Okay, it's gonna be the last part of the video, but, hey, you. Wow, that addition looks toxic. Who was an accident? Just like me. Wait, you're in an accident? But don't worry, your accident is easier to deal with. Okay, for you, hi, I have a drinking problem. How will that help? Just watch, you'll see. Want to watch and I have to clean it up? Sure. Okay, ready to be amazed. What okay then. Well, that was weird. Where'd he go? Probably to his grave. I can't believe he drank that. Oh well, at least now we can fish again. Yeah, let's fish. Alright. Well, let's start with, this guy, yeah. Move along. Nothing to see here. Don't tell me what to do. Whoa, what's going on here? What are you hiding? I'm not hiding anything. I'm just a regular jar of mayo. A perfectly normal jar of mayo with no secrets. I don't believe that for a second. I bet you're hiding something in your jar. Nope. Just mayo. See for yourself. Tastes like normal mayo. Of course. I'm gonna have a little more. Whoa, I hit something solid. Oh no. What is that pink thing? I don't know how you're talking about. I can see it right there. No, you can't. Alright, let's talk to, you now. Yeah. Well, you really let yourself go. Whatever. Are you so grumpy over our fight? Meh. Cheer up, it wasn't even that bad. For you. Yeah, I know. Meh. Cheer up, sad foods are no fun to be around. Thanks for the advice. Why don't you go to the gym? You'll feel better. Okay, fine. Well, I've never seen the ocean this polluted before. It's a small price to. Wait, no. I went the wrong thing. Life is great. Are you okay? Yeah, couldn't be better. You could definitely be doing better. Nah, I feel great. You need to go to the hospital. No hospitals. I've heard they're expensive around here and I don't have insurance. Wow, how can you not have insurance? Why on earth would a strawberry have insurance? Are you out of your mind? I'm definitely not the crazy one here. Go see a doctor. I don't need to. Time is the best medicine. Time heals all lounge. Just you wait. Well, I'll actually cancel that. So yeah, I just got out of. Oh, okay. I know how much this is gonna be. Like this is going to be like in a salt one here. Well, why you look so friendly? No, whoa. How are you in prison for? Yeah, I knew it. Oh no. Okay, no, not this. Not no. Not time yet. Let's go fishing a few more times. And then I'll end the video because this one was a cut. Because this was a really very jam-packed video. It was very long, but also very fun to do. Shovel! Yay! We just gotta discover one more food. Oh, let it go. Oh, okay then. Well, oh yeah. Booyah. Hi. Do you think I'm cute? Yeah. Yay, thanks. I was trying to be a... That was the worst pun I've ever heard. Okay, but, yeah, that's kind of gonna be the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So, yeah. Whoa, I swear I saw something there. I guess it's going to be more to the video now. Oh wow. Why did my cafe have a face now? Why not? Why would you do this? Can't it even talk? Zzz. Hey, wake up. Zzz. How do you even wake up cafe face? I wasn't trained for this. Oh, there's a map. Potion, I guess it is. Wow. What's going on? We're floating. Yeah, I know. Why not? Why though? Well, why not though? What's your reward for waking me up? I didn't ask for this. I have so much energy I could fly to the other side of the island. Sure, you can goodbye forever. Have a nice trip. It's not goodbye. You're coming with me. Oh no. Tap to fly. What the? I got lots of coal, I guess. Well, that was an experience. Zzz. I guess having a building takes a lot of energy or something weird. Alright, but that's excellent. I'm going to end the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed.